Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl dm.artistryja here, and I am back again with another video. If you're new here, I do beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and a little bit of faith related videos on my channel, and I love it if you subscribe. And if you're not new, thank you so much, boo, for coming back and watching another video. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I will be doing a trying TikTok makeup hacks on myself. Yes, this is dark girl friendly. Okay, so in today's video you guys will see me use a little bit of TikTok hacks that I saw on my TikTok, and also some ones that I basically researched for. So yeah, it will be down the line of my entire makeup routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social media. They will all be linked down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay guys, so first things first, I am going to try to find a hack that has to do with every step of my makeup routine. So I will be doing, say, makeup hack for primer, makeup hack for foundation, makeup hack for concealer, and blending and setting and stuff like that. You get the gist. So that's what I'll be doing right now. So I'm here on my laptop because you guys know that I record on my phone, so I have to be on my laptop. So I'm looking for different makeup hacks right now. So first things first, I want to find a makeup hack for primers. Okay, so the first hack says that we should basically skip primer. I don't know how 100% I am about that hack, but as you know, we're testing out the TikTok, so we should expect the worst. They said instead we should moisturize our face with our regular moisturizer and skip the primer, and then, you know, do her whole makeup routine without priming your skin. This is crazy. So I'll be using the simple light hydrating moisturization, what's this, moisturizer. So I'm just applying a little bit. Let's just hope I don't break out. Because I already cleansed and did like my whole skincare routine and stuff like that. I just didn't moisturize because I knew I was doing this video. So that's that. And now we're gonna watch our next TikTok video for our foundation hack.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing.
So this one says we should hydrate, which I just did, and then they said that we should set the face with a light translucent powder. So I'm gonna be using the RCMA no color powder. Laura Lee looks very shocked by her results, so let's see how this actually turns out. I hope it really makes my foundation look nice. So I set the moisturizer already, so now it says that we should prime after setting. Let me rewatch just to make sure. Okay, so we should use a setting spray. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. So I'm just gonna spray my face. Okay. Okay, that's that. So she said I should take the primer, but I must wait until the setting spray dries. so I'm just waiting for that. So I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip primer. You guys know that this is my favorite primer in life, like, come on. It just said to apply a primer, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I finished priming.
Then just put on your foundation.
And then she said apply the foundation and see how it looks. So Lauralee looks very, very shook in this video. So I hope I'm as shook as she is. Okay, so I'll be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 356 Coconut. Well, warm coconut. So I can't see. I actually see a difference, guys. This is so like smooth. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it looks different for real. It's very full coverage also, and it just looks very smooth to me. Because this is just one pump of foundation, guys. Hey guys, I would say I really like this hack because my skin looks very matte, like very smooth. Like this is the first my skin has ever looked this good in foundation. I'm not even exaggerating. I look a little bit light on camera, but trust me guys, this is my shade. Okay, I know I look a little bit dark, but in person it doesn't look like that, trust me. Yeah, but this hack is a 10 out of 10 for me so far. So now we're gonna move on to concealer. Before that, I am going to do my own hack, which is to contour before you know, concealing. Okay, so now that that's complete, I'm gonna move on to the concealer hack now. I'm gonna move on to the concealer hack.
Do you do your concealer like this and you find it's dragging your face down? Let me show you how to help with that. The reason I'm not a fan of the triangle shape under the eye is because it emphasizes the lowest point of the cheek way too much, in my opinion. So I'm going to show you my preferred method, and also the benefit of this one is that it lifts the face. This is a shape I want you to try. The reason I take it onto the side of the nose is that it gives the nose a natural contour. So I'm going to blend this out and show you the difference. So as you can see, there is a clear difference. This eye is much more lifted and the highlight isn't on the main focal point of the cheek. Whereas this one here, while yes, everything's covered and everything, the highlight is right here. There is a lot of product sitting right on the cheek as opposed to under the eye and lifting the face. Try this out and let me know how you go.
Okay guys, so this next hack, this concealer hack, they're actually spitting a lot of hacks on TikTok, guys, because with the triangular method I always used to wonder why my face used to look so dragged down, like especially in this area, because I used to do the triangular method and I bring it all the way down here to my, like, the end of my nose, and that's not cute. So I'm using the Dose of Colors concealer. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, that's the shade that I'm using, and I'm using the shade 24 Dark. And he said to place the concealer on the side of the nose here and then bring it down a little bit like that, and then have some right here. So this should allow for my face to look a lot more lifted. So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this out and see how it looks. Wow guys, so this hack is a 10 out of 10 for me. Once again, I can really see how lifted my eyes are. Like, this area looks a lot more lifted, like a lot more lifted, guys. Are you seeing that? Wow, I like this, guys. This gonna have to be my routine now, sis. This gonna have to be my routine. Are you seeing it, guys? Like, it just looks a lot more lifted, people. So I'm going to highlight the rest of my face because there isn't any like hack on like the rest of my face, so I'm just gonna do the rest of my face regularly. So that's about that for the concealer hack. My face looks very, very matte at the moment, I can say that much, from that foundation hack that we did. Let's go to the next hack. Let's move to the next hack, people. So one of the hack, guys, is to use translucent powder that rather than transparent powder, and luckily I have the RCMA no color powder. This powder is a transparent powder that doesn't alter the like color of your powder and stuff like that. So we're gonna see a baking hack because you guys know that I live for baking. Okay,
Let's talk about baking and why I don't recommend it. What is baking, you might ask? Baking is where you put a thick layer of powder underneath your eye or wherever you want that highlights your face. It is a drag makeup technique that they use to hold on their heavy makeup throughout the whole night of performances. It's also something that's done so their makeup can be visible in club lighting and from anywhere, hence the term painted for the back row. So I'm going to show you, I'm using my favorite under eye powder, which is the Hourglass Veil powder. On this side, I'm putting it on with a brush. On this side, I'm going to bake. So on a damp beauty sponge, I'm patting in the powder, and already this starts to happen. So this is typically left on for about 5 minutes or longer and then wiped off with a brush. So I'm going to wipe it off after 5 minutes and then come back and show you. Okay, so you might be thinking, that side looks a lot smoother. This is studio lighting. Let me go outside in natural lighting where it's no lies. Okay, so now that I'm outside, you can see the patchiness. It clings to dry spots, you can really see the powder build up, and it creates a lot of texture. So stick to a brush with powder, and that's all you need.
Okay, so the next hack is to use a brush to apply our under eye powder instead of baking, because you guys, you guys know that your girl is a whole baker. So this makeup artist is saying that baking allows patches and stuff like that to happen on the face. That doesn't happen for me. Your girl doesn't get patches, but it's a hack video, so let's do what he says. So he said we should use like a nice fluffy brush and apply the powder and actually pat it in. So I used to do this hack like years ago until I started baking again, because I used to use a brush to apply my powder. If you watch my older videos, you guys might have seen me using a brush to pack in my powder, but I stopped doing that once I started baking again. But we're gonna do that for this video today. So I'm just patting in the powder with this pointed setting brush. The next hack that we're gonna look at is our bronzing / contouring hack. My bad, guys, so my audio will be different for the next few clips because my phone died and I can't use my microphone and my charger at the same time, so my bad. So I'm gonna try to find that now.
You have to stop doing your bronzer like this. You need to stop taking your brush, dipping into the bronzer, and doing this. That will not give you cheekbones. It's going to make them disappear. So let me teach you. Take your brush, take your bronzer, dip it inside, swipe, swipe again, swipe a third time, up, blend, more up, only up, Here, here, and under the jaw.
Okay, so she was using a brush like this in a way, so that's what I'm going to be using. And you guys know that I use the Zulu palette to bronze / contour that very brown shade, so I'm gonna do exactly what she did just now. So she said swipe up and then blend, swipe up and then blend. Okay, I'm basically gonna finish the rest of my face because I'm not doing any eyeshadow. So that's it for all the hacks that I'll be trying for you guys today. So I'm just going to apply my lip gloss, apply my lashes, and just run some eyeshadow over my eyelids, and then I'll get back to you guys. So for my lips, guys, I'll be using my matte chestnut lip liner, and for my lip gloss I'll be using my friend's lip gloss collection, Made by Nique collection lip glosses. So guys, please go and check out her business page. I will link it on the screen and also down below, so make sure you go and check out her page, guys. She has very pigmented and moisturizing lip glosses. Love them. I am wearing the shade Naked. Absolutely love. This is like a really nice nude pink shade. Really nice, guys. So make sure you go and check out her page. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite hack was, which hack you think kind of up my makeup game, which hack you think looked the best on my skin. So yeah, my top 2 favorite hacks were the foundation hack and the concealer hack, because I feel like the concealer hack really made my skin, like my face I should say, look a lot more lifted. And I also think that the foundation hack, or the switching up my routine, really made my foundation sit very well on my skin. But yeah guys, I absolutely love how my makeup turned out. I feel like I look so cute and baby doll like, especially with my Made by Nique collections lip gloss. I always look like a whole baby doll when I wear this lipstick. I was gonna say lip gloss, but this lip gloss in the shade Naked. So remember guys, go and cop your Made by Nique collection lip glosses. They are literally bomb, guys. So moisturizing, so smooth, literally not sticky, because I'm sure you guys are seeing me talking and none of my lip gloss is sticking to each other. So go and copy your Made by Nique collection lip glosses, guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.